Okay, I wanted to do some homework help and I wanted to get through a problem in section 2.1 just to help you through it to make sure that you know how to do that. Okay, so if I'm getting into the problem set, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start the assignment. Okay, so notice that you have problems where you have to just solve for x. It doesn't matter which way that you solve for them, even if it says graphing, just whichever way you want to solve for it, that's the best way to do it. I want you to be able to do it whichever way you feel the most comfortable with. So make sure that you know how to solve those types of problems. But the big thing is once we get over to the problems that start with problem number 13, but I'm going to do problem number 14. All right, we're going to go ahead and do this one. 3a plus 7 is less than or equal to 16. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to try to solve it by subtracting 7 from both sides. So I have 3a is less than or equal to 9. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And I know a lot of you like to, when you're doing problems, you like to do them as quickly as you possibly can. And so you try to do multiple steps. I would really recommend against that, especially as you're getting used to it. So I have a is less than or equal to 3 in this particular case. So a is less than or equal to 3. Now you'll notice it says write the solution in set builder notation. So we know that a is less than or equal to 3. So to do that with set builder notation, notice there's some curly braces here, curly brackets. You're going to click on that. Inside of it, you're going to put the variable first. So you're going to put a. Notice that that's my variable. And then on your keyboard, right above the enter, there's a little straight bar, a vertical bar. You're going to hit shift vertical bar, and then you're going to actually type in the answer. So a is, I think it was less than, right? Less than or equal to. So notice here when you do it, you'll have a less than or equal to right here. If you just have a less than, you can just type in less than arrow from the keyboard. Less than or equal to, and then my answer was 3. So I'll do it that way. And then I'm done. I think I need to get this out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done and review. Of course, I didn't answer any of the other questions. I'm going to go ahead and submit my assignment. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because once you submit it, you can't open it back up again. So view the details. Okay, so of course I missed all these problems, but look at it, number 14, I got it right. And you'll see that it gives you, tells me this is my answer. I could have typed it in this way. I could have put in a space beforehand, but I would tell you to just avoid spaces. So it's easier just to avoid spaces when you're typing these things in. And on these curly braces, you can use the curly braces from your keyboard as well. Make sure that the A is lowercase since the A is lowercase in the problem. And that's it.